Oh my, you need help and you're wondering how can I contact the Opay customer care because there's an issue and you need a solution to it. Well, guess what? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get help from Opay customer care, all their social medias and email addresses. Let's get right into it. Come over here and click on this icon right here. On the top, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see right here it says report transfer dispute, check card status, upgrade your account, view transactions, and change login password. If that is not your issue, just scroll all the way down. Now from here, you can see it says customer service at opayinc.com. That's the email account that you can use to contact them. If you don't want to use that, you can also use their Instagram account right here. If that's not good enough, well, let me show you all their offices. Come down here and click customer service center addresses. Click right here. Once you click right here, you can see all their addresses. One, they have in Abuja. Dun dun. They are also in Lagos. They're also in Festac. They're also at Abeokuta, Ibadan, Jos, Kaduna, and Kano. And they're also at Osogbo. You can see all their offices that you can go right to if you have issues with Opay. Now, let's go back a bit. Right here, you can see it says card. If I click on card, it says how to check my card status, how to report card dispute, how to activate my card. If you click on it, the steps are right here that you can follow and it will help you instead of waiting for the customer care to answer you. And this is the self-help service, something you can do to solve your own problem that you might be having. Now, if that's not okay and you want to chat with a customer care, I got your back. Come down here to live chat. Click on it. So from right here, it says, how can we help you? Opay card, transfer, payment bills, account, report scam, and others. Oh yeah, I need to tell you more about that in another video. Now, let's come right here and click Opay card. Now, it says card delivery, card transaction, card. Now, if any of this doesn't match what your issue is, you can just come right here. Go ahead and click on that. Now, type in your issues that you are having. Now, take note that you are not yet talking to an human being. You are still talking to a machine. Now, let me show you how you can chat with a real person. But let's go ahead and test the machine and let's see if we can answer our question. Let's see if we can do a good job better than the real person. Let's try it out. Let's go ahead and ask the machine a question. And how can I get an Opay card? Done typing, then click on send. So this is the reply that the machine sent to my question. So this is the reply, and if the reply is good enough, I can click on solved. If it's not good enough, I'm going to click on no. Nope, I've not gotten the answer yet. Now, let me show you how you can chat with a real person. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's come here and click advisor. So right here it says, dear customer, welcome to Opay. It is my pleasure to serve you. How can I help you? Now, if you come down and read the last two messages, you'll see that we have real person's name right there. And the last one says, good day. Thank you for contacting Opay. My name is Anu Oluwapo. I will be assisting you today. So now you can go ahead and type in your problem in this box or your question in this box right here. Once you type in the box, type in your question, then you send it, then you'll be replied to. So that's how you can chat with somebody for real on Opay. Now, let me show you the social media handle. Let's get right into it. The first handle we'll be talking about will be the Instagram account of Opay. Now take note of the name. The name is opay.ng and we have the blue tick mark up there. Very important for security sake. Take note of that blue tick mark. And also be careful of the information that you put right here. Make sure don't give them your password or your PIN. Now, this is the Opay verified Instagram account right here. Now, let's move on to the Twitter account. On Twitter, we're going over to the Opay handle on Twitter. Look at it right here. It says Opay_NG, and we have the badge right there, the verification badge right there. But it says super fast and transaction. That's the banner right there. And you can see this is the phone number, the support line over here. They have two. So in case if you have any issues, you can also call them. Now, this is the Twitter handle. Let's move on to the Facebook handle. We are on the Facebook handle of Opay. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see more information, phone numbers, address, some updates, information I can get from over there. Now, this is the social media handles right here. You can see their Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and their email account right there. Note, I don't work for Opay. I just use the product and I think it's really good, and the app really does help me out when I need to make payments. Hey, if you like this video, do go ahead, subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and check out this video over here.